MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Another 2,400 miles have passed in our 2018 Mazda 6 midsize sedan, which brings our total up to almost 17,000. That's not surprising considering how popular it is around here. The 227 horsepower turbocharged Skyactiv G i4 and quick-shifting 6-speed automatic are a good team, whether on long road trips or the daily commute. The sporty suspension and precise steering make even mundane errands the kind of driving experience we look for.
Spring is just around the corner, and if we could drive there, we'd be happy to do so in this Mazda 6. The winter cold temperatures and slushy roads did not keep us from driving, and it actually handled itself pretty well considering its low profile all-season tires. Engine output continues to be a high point, and mechanically speaking, we've had no problems. So what more can you ask for?
We're now averaging 27.8 miles per gallon on regular, which is still better than the government's combined rating. Even after 9 months of driving, the Mazda 6 reminds us a practical family sedan can still be a lot of fun.